last stanza. Then all 9 runners joined hand and they continued. The 100 meters reduced to a walk, and the banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. That's how the race ended. The race over here means 100-meter race. 100-meter race. They came to the finish line holding hands still, and the banner above and 9 smiling faces said more than these words will. Said more than these words ever will. Now I will explain the meaning. Let's see the 7th stanza. What happened afterwards? Then all the 9 contestants, they joined hands. They all walked hand in hand to the finishing line. The race, which was a 100-meter race, it turned into a simple walk. And the poet remarks that the words on the banner, Special Olympics, turned out to be a true. Special Olympics was really a special one. Why? Because the race ended and each participant was awarded by a gold medal. Generally, this does not happen, but in this poem, our poet has shows the true sportsmanship. That's why he has explained about the Special Olympics. All were thus rewarded for the rare act of empathy. Then here the poet emphasizes the special significance of the Special Olympics by revealing the contestants' rare act of the true sportsmanship. This is all about the poem. Now there is a theme of the poem. If in the exam this question also can come, describe the theme of the poem. So you will write the theme of the poem is empathy. Empathy and true sportsmanship, which I just now told you. True sportsmanship. Now I will tell you how the poem theme reveals the empathy as well as the true sportsmanship. First, the empathy. What is the word empathy means? Empathy is the ability to understand other person's feeling from his point of view. It means that just to put yourself in another's shoes. It is this human value that is projected through an imaginary situation in David Roth's poem, 9 Gold Medal. Okay, so what they all did, they all joined hands and they walked to finish the line at last, and all are awarded by the 9 gold medals. True sportsmanship. Today we have seen in the sport events which are very highly competitive, as the stakes are very high. The sport persons, they are trained to be ruthless in their approach. Their only and only aim is to win at any cost. They do not bother about their companion. But in this poem we have seen the 8 other contestants, they forget their dream of winning the race, but they come to help their companion who needs to be lifted up and to be encouraged. Their true sportsmanship is recognized and has been rewarded by the 9 gold medals. This is about the empathy as well as the true sportsmanship of the poem. Now I will tell you about the style of the poem. The style of the poem, this also examiner can ask you what is the form or what is the style of poem. So its style is 9 gold medal. It is a simply lyrical poem. It has been divided into 8 stanza. Each stanza, with the exception of the last, and has the 4 line, and the last stanza it has an additional line which is the only repeated to emphasize the message. What is this message? You can see only these 2 lines has been repeated. Said more than these words ever will. Said more than these words ever will means आज तक ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ जो इस बार इस रेस में हुआ है. Okay, so if we talk about the literary devices of the poem, so there is a rhyme scheme as well as there is a repetition and alliteration also. Okay, rhyme scheme in this poem we have seen that the poem does not follow a set of rhyme scheme. In stanza 1, For instance, there are no end rhymes. In stanza 2, men and begin. There is a rhyming words. So you can see the rhyming words in the stanza. Repetition, in order to convey the fact, the Special Olympics, that was the really special. The poet uses the repetition. Only here, poet is using the repetition lines. No, in other stanza of the poem, there is no repetition lines. Okay, so that's all about the poem. Go through it and complete its passage.